Have you ever wondered why one person is full of energy, confident, calm, and happy, while another is constantly exhausted, living in fear, anxiety, illness, as if fighting with life every single day? In the Vedas, it is said that the human body contains energy centers called chakras. This is not just a beautiful spiritual idea. It is believed that our life energy flows through these chakras, and if even one of them becomes blocked or imbalanced, it affects the mind, the emotions, and even the physical body. There are 7 main chakras, and each one is responsible for a different area of life. The first chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of the spine. This is the chakra of survival. It is connected to safety, stability, money, home, and the basic feeling of security. When Muladhara is balanced, a person feels grounded in life. They do not constantly live in fear. They have the strength to move forward. But when this chakra is blocked, a person begins to live in anxiety, constant fear about money, fear of the future, a feeling that something bad could happen at any moment. Even when everything is fine, there is still no peace inside. In the Vedas, it is believed that problems with the root chakra may appear as leg pain, back problems, chronic fatigue, constant stress. The second chakra, Svadhisthana, located below the navel. This is the chakra of pleasure, emotions, and relationships. It is connected to joy, sexuality, creativity, pleasure, emotional intimacy. When it is open, a person knows how to enjoy life. They feel emotionally alive and creative. But when this chakra becomes blocked, relationship problems begin to appear. A person may lose interest in life, become emotionally cold, or become addicted to pleasure and stimulation. In the Vedas, imbalance in this chakra is associated with addictions, reproductive system problems, hormonal imbalances, emotional instability. The third chakra, Manipura, located in the solar plexus area. This is the center of willpower. It is responsible for confidence, self-esteem, personal strength, the ability to achieve goals. When Manipura is strong, a person feels inner power. They are not afraid to take action. But if this chakra is weak, a person constantly doubts themselves. They fear the opinions of others. They cannot say no. They lose energy easily. And sometimes the opposite happens. Manipura becomes overly aggressive. Then a person starts controlling everyone, pressuring others, becoming angry, living in constant competition and struggle. In the Vedas, this is associated with stomach problems, liver issues, digestive disorders, nervous exhaustion. The fourth chakra, Anahata. This is the heart chakra, located in the center of the chest. It is the center of love, not only romantic love, but true love, for people, for the world, for yourself, for life itself. When Anahata is open, a person feels warmth inside. They know how to love and receive love. But when the heart chakra is closed, a person distances themselves from the world. They become cold, hurt, unable to trust people. In the Vedas, this may affect the heart, lungs, blood pressure, the immune system. The fifth chakra, Vishuddha. This is the throat chakra. It is connected to the voice, self-expression, honesty, the ability to speak the truth. When it is open, a person is not afraid to be themselves, but when blocked, they stay silent when they should speak. Or the opposite, they speak too much and hurt others with words. In the Vedas, imbalance here may appear as throat illnesses, thyroid problems, voice issues. The sixth chakra, Ajna. This is the chakra of intuition, located between the eyebrows. In the Vedas, it is called the center of inner vision. When it is developed, a person experiences life more deeply. They often sense future events, understand people's true intentions, possess strong intuition. But when this chakra is weak, life feels blurry and confusing. A person does not understand themselves or their direction in life. In the Vedas, this is associated with headaches, insomnia, anxiety, mental exhaustion. The seventh chakra, Sahasrara. This is the crown chakra, located above the head. It is the connection to God, the universe, and the spiritual world. When it is open, a person feels deep inner peace. They understand that life is more than just the material world. They gain wisdom, calmness, trust in life. But when this chakra is completely closed, a person feels emptiness, as if life has no meaning. The Vedas teach that a human being is not only a physical body. Our thoughts, emotions, fears, and emotional wounds affect our energy. And if darkness constantly accumulates inside, sooner or later it appears both in life and in the body. That is why it is so important to work on yourself, to cleanse your thoughts, to learn to love, to learn to forgive, and to live in harmony. Because harmony within creates harmony around you.